Hello friends, today we are setting a timing on John Deere 6068 engine. This is timing mark for our fuel pump and this is the timing mark for our camshaft gear. To adjust the timing, you should understand that John Deere supplies a tool for the timing adjustment. This is a tool from John Deere. One side is V-type, the other side is simply straight line. To make this tool, you just need a simple piece of wire and twist the wire like that, and your tool is ready. One is V-type and other is straight line. The straight line should pass over the timing mark on your gear. There you can see it is passing on the timing mark and the center of the gear. Now repeat the process for your fuel pump. The center of the fuel pump and the timing mark should be in line with the crankshaft V. We have made with the help of wire. On the timing gear for fuel pump, you can see it's number 6 punched on the timing gear, which is for the 6-cylinder engine, and number 4 for 4-cylinder engine. 6 is punched on your gear. If you can see that, the timing mark next to 6 should be in line with the center of the gear. The center of the gear, the timing mark and the crankshaft. You should align them with the help of this twisted wire. To confirm your timing, bring the number 6 cylinder at valve overlap condition, number 6 cylinder valves. The overlap condition is when your exhaust valve and intake valve both are open at the same time. Valve overlap occurs when the piston near TDC between the exhaust event and the intake event. Duration of valve overlap is between 10 to 20 degrees. When you slightly move back and forth your timing gear for the camshaft, push rod will move up and down for intake and exhaust for both valves at the same time. Slowly slide the central gear or idler gear into all the 3 gears. After lubricating, insert the idler gear. Match the teeth of idler gear and your fuel pump gear and camshaft gear so that they don't move while inserting the idler gear, and they are at their place. After installing, reconfirm the timing of your engine. We will complete the timing procedure and install the timing cover or timing case on that. There you can see your timing gear for camshaft, its timing mark, its central, and also the crankshaft are in line. That's how the timing is done on John Deere 6068 engine. Thanks for watching the video.